A leading public official is openly encouraging mid-staters not to wear masks. He also says the vaccines are not safe.
Well, these are the very statements that infectious disease specialists say put the public in danger. Hannah Brandt spoke with Dauphin County Coroner Graham Hetrick. And Hannah, what did he tell you?
Yeah, well, Alicia, Valerie, Dauphin County Coroner Graham Hetrick is adamant about his beliefs. And last night he went to the Central Dauphin School Board meeting to fight against a mask mandate. When I pressed him about masking and vaccines, he doubled down on his controversial views.
So I don't wear a mask.
Dauphin County Coroner Graham Hetrick is in the death business, but he thinks we've taken prevention against the deadly pandemic too far.
This is uncomfortable, and it's not a good thing to do.
He tells me he's done the research.
See that chart?
And that's why he's fighting against mask mandates.
We're losing too much by this COVIDian cult. We're more afraid of dying than we are enamored with living. And it's not a good place for us to be in.
But Dr. John Goldman says conspiracy theories about masking don't hold up to the science and the facts.
There is a preponderance of evidence. There are multiple studies, and any responsible organization has recommended masking.
Not only is Hetrick against masking, he says he's not getting vaccinated, partly because he's had COVID.
I got sick, and now God vaccinated me. But I don't need the vaccine. As a matter of fact, it might be more harmful for me to have the vaccine.
Doctors say false claims about vaccines are dangerous.
As a result of these kind of conspiracy theories, there are people who got sick, there are people who ended up in the hospital, and there are people who died.
And they're urging people to trust the science.
I'm a little surprised that a public official would think that he knows better than all of these other organizations.
But Hetrick,
I don't care what they say. I don't care what they say. Not really good for the human body.
he's sticking by his arguments.
But a majority of our top public health officials are saying masks and vaccines are safe and effective. You think they're wrong?
I'm saying that we should have an ability to decide what we do, what we put into our own bodies, and what we put on our bodies that's a medical device.
I reached out to the Dauphin County commissioners and they sent me a statement in part saying that they advise the CDC guidance on masking be followed and that they've been supportive of vaccine education programs. They also noted Hetrick is an independently elected official. Live in the studio, Hannah Brandt, ABC 27 News.